Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Amazon Learners. So today I'm here going to discuss with you the most important topic, which extensions should you use while doing product hunting on Amazon. So today in this video I will cover a few points, three best extensions, how to install extensions, and how does it works. So let's start with the first one, DS Amazon Quick View. So first of all, open your browser. Right here, DS Amazon Quick View extension. Enter, and here you can see on the top DS Amazon. Just click this one, and it will give you the option Add to Chrome. Click this, Add extension, and it will add this extension here on the right top. Click on extensions. You can see here, just pin this. So now you can see DS Amazon Quick View extension here on the right top. So now let me tell you how does it work. Here, open Amazon.com. Here you can see currently my market is USA. So in the search bar, you need to write your keyword. Like I'm just taking an example, cutting board. Okay, cutting boards. So now let me tell you how this extension work. The main benefit of this extension is it gives you the product information on the same page. You don't need to go or click page one by one. So next step is just move your cursor on the image and it will give you the result. For example, like here, look, now you can see my cursor is on the image and it's showing me the product information like size, 3-piece, product dimensions, length, width, height, item weight, manufacturer, SN, item model number, customer reviews rating, PSR, and much more. So this is the short way you can get results. Okay, so let's move on the next extension. Next is AMZ Scout Stock State. Let's install this one. AMZ Stock State extension. So just install this one. Add to Chrome. Add extension. When the extension is installed, you will see this here on the right top. This one. Now you can pin this here so you can easily see this on the top. This one. So now let me tell you how does it work. So to check this, you need to open the product page. For example, I'm going to open this one. So here you can see the product page has opened. Now let's apply this extension. Just click this one. So this is the extension that we use to find out how much stock is left or how much stock our competitor have. So this is the best extension. You can see here is the title, SM, BSR, so seller type, total stock like 20, average stock 10. So here you can see like now currently my brand is Royal Craft Food. Seller name is Royal Craft Food. Its price is $22.07. And how much stock is left? 10. Fulfilled by Amazon? Yes. And it's rating. So this is the way you can see detail about your competitor, especially about the stock, how much stock left. In the next is AMZ Suggestion Expander. Let's install this one. AMZ Suggestion Expander. Here So you will follow the same procedure like add to Chrome, then add extension, and it will be added here on right top in green color. Let's say in the sections, this one, just pin this. Okay, so now let me tell you how does it works. For example, if I'm going to write here my keyword like cutting boards, so it will show me the other keywords also when I will use this extension. Okay, let me write my keyword again, cutting boards or board. Okay, cutting board. Okay, so here you can see the result. So you have to apply this extension on the main page like after opening our page. So you can see I have just written here one word cutting board, but you can see here this extension has given me the long list of keywords. So you can use these keywords in your listing, and then your product research or product hunting. You can use it later on. So here you can see the option is given here, download keywords. So you can download these keywords and you can use them later on. So this is all about this video. So I hope you understand. So do try. Have a good day. Thank you.